my name is Clara and welcome to my YouTube channel. I have just returned from a really wild journey in Honduras, check out here to see what happened, and I am currently spending an obligatory quarantine in my family's Zidanca in beautiful Slovenia, in the region where I'm from, Dolenjska. There are hills filled with zidance and they are surrounded with vineyards. Traditionally, it's a small building made with wood and stone, but lately you can see them turning into really big, cool houses. Some people even live in them. The number of vines around Zidanca is usually just enough for one family to be able to handle it by themselves. Traditionally, there used to be only vines, but lately people are planting all kinds of other plants around them, as you will be able to see if you watch this vlog. Zidanca was and is a beautiful place you come during the weekend to work. And let me show you ours. This cute little Zidanca was built by my grandparents and my dad in the 80s. It's very simple. On the first floor there is a big room and next to it is a kitchen. It's a multifunctional room with a dining table, but you know what you can do in it? Meni za domačijo.
Meni je za tvoje srce, ki ga ljubil bom 7 dni.
To ne rapeč! We also have a nice little couch that we brought up so we can work on it and in the evening sleep on it.
Je živjo! Je kako je?
We love it when we get visitors.
Ti lepanec! Kako klja!
In the first floor there's also a balcony with the most amazing view and we enjoy it so much. Zidance have always been a place where people hang out and socialize, and we are continuing this tradition. We also take it easy sometimes. In the sun and in the rain, this place is just incredible. And now let's take a sneak peek of our kitchen. Actually, this kitchen was remodeled by my dad when I made my first party here. So it's a pretty neat kitchen. I enjoy cooking in it so much. It's equipped with basically everything you need. And this is my failed sourdough bread. While we're talking about kitchen and food, me and Clement, of course, cook a lot here. We enjoy food. This is traditional Slovenian MOČNIK. It's like a porridge. Recipe is linked down below if you want to prepare it. Come. Actually, I make sourdough bread without a recipe usually. So this has like 5 different flours. It's so dark because it has buckwheat. Oh, I need more flour. ¿Puedes ayudarme?
Feels like butt?
Feels like boob.
Boo. You learned this at your university?
Yes. Now let's go to the basement, which is kind of the heart of Zidanca. This is our basement where we can still find everything my grandfather and dad used to make wine. We don't make it anymore. And this is a distillator, I think it's called, to make schnapps, hard liquor. The basement is also used for storage because, you know what, my brother has his own little projects now around the vineyard. And it's so cool to find old stools and just, yeah, Slovenian things. And now we will check another part of Zidanca that's actually outside of Zidanca. The toilet. The toilet. Enjoy.
My mission is to record
Sonce is tle.
So I will show you. No, I will just record you how Clara will show you our special room for special occasions called toilet. Show us how you poop.
Okay.
You go up, you poop. Okay, version 2.
This toilet is as old as the tiny vineyard house, and it's a compost toilet. It's not that shabby actually for its age. I just cleaned it a bit before, and I will show you inside how it looks like. And now let's take a walk around our vineyard. As I mentioned before, my brother has his own little projects, and they are actually not little at all. They are quite huge. He planted more than 300 tomato plants, bell pepper plants, 5 rows of beans, and he offered me 2 meters of land where I planted broccoli and cauliflower. And to protect our baby plants from all the hungry animals out there, my brother and my dad put a fence all around our land. Our tiny little land around our tiny little vineyard house called Zidanca. I don't want to sound too cheesy, but these hills where our Zidanca is situated are pure magic, and me and Clement love walking around. It's just it's just such a wonderful place to explore, and we can pick wild berries, yum, and also elderflower.
Na planica są Czecesy. Na planica są Czecesy.
Jaz bi rad moje stopala pokazal malo.
Cool. And I always said that the forest here is magical forest. And for the end, I want to share with you a journey we had with our friend. We just went walking around, we went for a hike, and then a lady just called us for a drink. Just like, I don't know this lady, I'd never seen her before, and she invited us for some shots. So we sat at her place for almost an hour just talking about life, and for me, this is what makes me the happiest when living in rural Slovenian places like this. My grandfather was from here, so it gives even that extra special feeling of being close to my roots and being home.
Creepy. Two boys in the wilderness. Will they make it? Will they survive?
Zmerjano nadležno otrok.
Mrš!
Pa ne bi še...
I'm glad I caught it on tape. Ajde, daj ga. Ja. Thank you for being a part of my excitement around Zidance and Slovenian culture. If I forgot to mention anything, ask me down in the comments, and if there is anything you would like to see, please also write down below. And don't forget to subscribe so we can go to more adventures together. Bye!